Where to download Flash Player for offline installation. I can't find Flash Player download link which will give me the full exe/MSI file, not the tiny downloader which downloads data from the internet. What's the proper download site for this?
Edit 2017. The installers are now at this URL. Edit 2016. It seems that the link below does no longer give access to offline installers. Sad face. Original answer. Download Adobe Flash Player 16/13/11.2 full offline standalone installers, MSI/exe, for Internet Explorer/other browsers. This URL. I've contacted Adobe because I was completely unable to install Flash with the 900 KB installer downloaders which always flood me with strange errors and delete themselves from the run location. So you can't launch the installer downloader after failure, have to re-download it, and they sent me this link.
If you download the Flash Player CAB file from Microsoft System Center to SCCM, extract the XML file from the IT, then you'll see the MSI file listed in the XML file. There's a link for the ActiveX installer and also the Mozilla to Firefox to Netscape plugin. This URL.
For a long time, I've been taking the offline installers from this page, installation problems for Windows 7 and older, already mentioned in a comment by Franca. The links are always up to date, and it lets me get all plugin architectures, as of today ActiveX, NPAPA and PAPI. The links are near the bottom, under the Still Having Problems heading. The above instructions are for Windows, but the same approach works for Mac OS X. Here's the Adobe Help page with the offline installer links at the bottom, Installation Problems, Mac. This Adobe Help forum page is also helpful, how to perform a clean install of Flash Player in Mac OS X.
Adobe has decommissioned the distribution page, but here's another method that still works for now. On the standard installation page, this URL, the Install Now, button links to the download page https://get adobe.com/flashplayer/download/?installer equals. You should append and standalone equals 1 to the end, then it'll let you download the normal standalone offline installer. PS, don't forget to disable optional offer before copying the link.